Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Is your JVC TV stuck on the logo screen and won't boot into the home menu? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common problems JVC TV owners face, and today, I'll walk you through every single troubleshooting step that can help fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your JVC TV gets stuck on the logo, how to fix it step by step, and most importantly, how to prevent it from happening again. So grab your remote, take a deep breath, and let's fix your JVC TV together. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. This is the simplest but most effective fix. Nearly 40% of TVs stuck on the logo get solved with just this step. Unplug the TV completely from the power outlet. Hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 60 seconds. This drains out leftover electricity from capacitors. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. If it still doesn't work, repeat the process 2 to 3 times. TVs often get stuck due to memory cache or static buildup. A power cycle clears that. Don't just leave the TV unplugged for 5 seconds. Keep it unplugged for at least 2 to 5 minutes before plugging back in step 2. Check power source and outlet. Sometimes the TV isn't really frozen. It's not getting enough stable power. Plug the TV directly into a wall socket instead of a surge protector. Test a different power outlet in your home. If your TV has a detachable power cable, try another compatible one. Use a simple test lamp or phone charger in the same outlet to confirm it's working. Unstable voltage or faulty surge protectors can interrupt startup, making the TV freeze at the logo. Avoid plugging your JVC TV into heavy load extensions with refrigerators, microwaves, or irons. These cause power fluctuations. Step 3. Disconnect all external devices. Your JVC TV can get stuck at startup if USB drives, HDMI devices, or consoles confuse the boot system. Turn off the TV. Unplug everything connected: USB drives, HDMI cables, consoles, Fire Stick, soundbar. Restart the TV with nothing connected. If the TV starts normally, one of your devices is the culprit. Reconnect each device one by one to find which one causes the freeze. A corrupted USB or faulty HDMI handshake often prevents the TV from passing the logo stage. And never leave a corrupted or unrecognized USB drive in your JVC TV when powering it on step 4. Remote control reset. Sometimes your TV isn't the problem. The remote is sending wrong signals. Remove the batteries from your remote. Press and hold the menu plus volume down buttons for 30 seconds. Insert fresh batteries and try again. If your TV supports it, press power plus OK while pointing at the TV to force a reset. Try using only the side buttons on the TV to turn it on. Stuck buttons or corrupted remote signals can freeze the boot loop. Resetting clears it. Test your remote with your smartphone's camera. If the IR light keeps flashing without pressing buttons, your remote is faulty. Step 5. Factory reset via hidden buttons. If the above doesn't work, a factory reset can wipe corrupt memory and fix boot issues. Look for a tiny reset pinhole at the back or side of your JVC TV, near HDMI ports. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 30 to 60 seconds. Release when the TV turns off and restarts. Wait patiently as the TV reboots into fresh factory settings. This erases corrupted system data that prevents the TV from loading past the logo. A factory reset erases all your apps, channels, and personal settings. Step 6. Check and update firmware. Sometimes the problem is not hardware. It's outdated or corrupted software. If your TV boots partially, go to Settings about Software Update. If it won't boot at all, go to JVC's official website. Download the firmware update for your exact TV model. Copy the update file to a USB stick. Insert the USB into the TV. Hold the reset button while powering on to force a USB update. Wait for the update to install and restart the TV. Outdated firmware or corrupted OS files often cause boot loops. Updating replaces damaged system files. Always double-check your TV's model number before downloading firmware. Installing the wrong version can make things worse. Step 7. Test the remote versus TV buttons. Sometimes, what looks like a logo freeze problem is actually caused by your remote control sending wrong signals to the TV. Let's carefully go through this. Remove remote batteries. Take out the batteries completely. Try powering the TV on using only the physical power button on the TV frame. If the TV suddenly works, your remote was the culprit. Stuck buttons test. Press every button on the remote one by one. If any button feels stuck, especially power, input, or volume, clean it. Sometimes dirt or liquid spill causes a button to stay pressed, forcing the TV into a freeze. IR interference. Point your phone's camera at the remote and press any button. You should see a flashing light from the IR emitter. If it's constantly flashing without you pressing your remote, is malfunctioning. Replace batteries and reset remote. Insert brand new alkaline batteries. Hold power plus volume down for 30 seconds to soft reset the remote. Works on many JVC models. Universal Remote / JVC app test. Download the JVC Remote app on your smartphone or use a universal remote. If the TV responds normally with an alternate remote, you've confirmed the original remote was the issue. Always test the TV's side buttons separately. If those also don't work, it may be a TV logic board issue, not the remote. Step 8. Backlight and hardware inspection. Now let's go deeper into the hardware side, because sometimes your JVC TV isn't stuck at the logo. It's actually booting, but the screen looks black due to a backlight failure. Flashlight test. Take a bright flashlight. Shine it on the screen when the TV is on. If you can faintly see the logo or menu, that means the image is there, but the backlight is off. Backlight fails. Overheating inside the TV. Low quality power supply capacitors. Sudden power surges. LED strips burn out over time. Sound test. Turn the TV on and increase volume. If you hear the JVC startup sound or channel audio but see nothing, it's almost certainly a backlight issue. Loose cable or T-con board. Sometimes it's not the LED strips, but a loose ribbon cable connecting the T-con timing control board. A slightly loose cable can cause boot hang at the logo or black screen. Testing external signs. Look for flickering light around screen edges. Check for any burnt smell near the TV vents. Classic capacitor failure. Repair options. Backlight replacement, power board replacement, motherboard replacement. If you're not trained in electronics, don't open the TV yourself. These TVs store high voltage in capacitors even when unplugged. Always consult a technician if you suspect backlight or board damage. Step 9. Service menu access and EEPROM reset. This step is for advanced users. If nothing has worked so far, your JVC TV may be stuck at the logo because of corrupt memory or firmware settings. The way to fix this is through the hidden service menu. Service menu. JVC engineers use it to test hardware, reset memory, and calibrate screens. You can access it with a special remote button combination. Common service menu codes. Info menu. Mute power, Samsung style, works on some JVC models. Display 5 volume up power. Mute 182 power. Try each only if one fails, but do it carefully. EEPROM reset. Once inside service menu, look for options like factory reset, EEPROM clear, reset all. This wipes corrupted data that prevents boot. Now you know every single fix for a JVC TV stuck on the logo screen. If one of these steps helped you, drop a comment below and let others know. If not, it may be a hardware issue, and contacting a JVC technician is your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.